Yo, what's up guys? We are at Watong Waterfall. Today we're gonna climb the sticky waterfall and I'm taking you guys with me. Let's do this! Making our way down to the waterfall. Look at these tropical vibes, guys. Wow. We got some steps to go, but we're gonna climb all the way up there. This is our first week in Thailand. We got 2 more weeks to go. And we've been to Bangkok and now we're in the north, in Chiang Mai. Actually, we're walking down these steps and it's beautiful here. You know, I love the tropical vibes, but Thailand, man, tropical vibes all over the place. Look at these trees and these plants, like, woo, beautiful. And there you see the waterfall, and we're gonna climb it today. This is a gecko that makes like this really weird sound, like in the night. You guys see it? We're in the middle of the jungle and it was just crossing our path right here. Oh, there he goes. We have like the biggest bamboo trees here I've ever seen. It's like crazy. Welcome to the jungle, guys. Look at it. Wow. This is the real jungle experience, guys. Wow. Beautiful. At the waterfalls. I'm about to start climbing. Yo, these trees is like Tarzan. Tarzan, you know, you can swing around with them. Crazy.
Yo, Jvmmie. Yo, you hear me, brother? Oh, this man. I mean that. Money that. Money need for my brain. Keep on calling me every day. Oh. I feel make the money, I feel get the money anyway. I feel make the money, I feel get the money any day. Money keep on calling. Make the money, I forget the money anyway. No food for the lazy man. Me, I forget the money, I fi make the money anyway. It's the money for me brain. Inna the middle of the night, me beg the bread. Tryna stop me fast like the train. 10 toes on the road. Jaja, please bless my hustle. Isi sika ye boja, tina ye beresano. Unye dia sebyo never ni na mobano. Kakrebe di entina, yakobi vansi.
So we are in the middle of the waterfalls right now. Give you guys some jungle vibes. These little guys are trying to get up as well. But it's beautiful here. Wow. To climb up. It's so weird because you have a lot of grip on these rocks. We made it to the top, all the way from down there. Beautiful views. Wow. This was a very unique experience. Thailand, Chiang Mai. Thank you guys for tuning in to the vlog. See you soon.